That smoke coming out of your vehicle is not just smoke. This smoke is a signal that your vehicle is giving to get your attention to its deteriorating state. Let's talk about the types of smoke. There is white smoke, loose smoke, black smoke, and gray smoke. Thin white smoke on a cold morning is usually normal condensation. But thick white smoke? That could mean coolant is entering the engine. Blue or gray smoke usually means engine oil is burning inside the combustion chamber. This often happens because of worn piston rings, damaged valve seals, or turbocharger leaks. If ignored, oil consumption increases, and engine wear becomes severe. Black smoke means too much fuel is burning. Common causes include clogged air filters, faulty injectors, bad sensors, or rich fuel mixture. This reduces mileage, increases pollution, and can damage turbochargers and catalytic converters. Gray smoke can be harder to diagnose. It may indicate transmission fluid burning, turbo issues, or vacuum system problems. Combined with rough idle or poor acceleration, it's a white smoke, coolant problem. Blue smoke, burning oil. Black smoke, too much fuel. Gray smoke, possible system failure.